Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Canva slides into video, only ways. Open your Canva project and review each slide for pacing and clarity, then set slide durations and transitions for smooth flow. Choose simple animations and consistent styles to maintain viewer focus. Finally, export as MP4 with the highest resolution available, review the file, and make tiny timing tweaks if needed to match your narration or music perfectly. Start by cleaning up your slides and removing extra text so viewers can read quickly while listening. Use a consistent template, color palette, and font size to build a cohesive look throughout the video. Add clear focal elements like a headline, one supporting image, and a concise bullet. That structure makes each slide scannable and keeps your export concise and professional for smoother playback and better audience retention. When exporting, pick MP4 and the highest resolution Canva offers to retain clarity on most screens. Adjust frame rate to 30 FPS for smooth motion and confirm each slide's duration matches your narration rhythm. Add background music at a lower volume so speech remains clear, and preview the whole video from start to finish to catch timing or transition issues. Make small edits in Canva and export again until everything.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.